Instead of cube, I keep changing my mind. I'm sorry. We're gonna use a cone because cone can show you where its forward vector is, or the front of it. Alright, we'll rotate this to 90 degrees. Alright, and then we can put like a camera. So we can say what I like to do is I like to put spring arm and then put the camera on the spring arm. That way you can just control, it gives you more control over the camera. You can have it like that. Spring arm length. Let's do 600. And now with that cone, I don't like keeping it here, so I'll just copy it. Content, props. We're gonna make a new folder with props. That's where all the static meshes would go. Alright. So instead of a cone, we'll just go in. I need a different name than cone. Damn, it's too early for this. Just whatever, you know, it doesn't matter. And then copy it, Control C, Control V, there you go. Oh, I gotta save the level too. On your folder maps. Starter, whatever. Alright. I saved the level to in the content folder. Alright, so for the player, we can. Let me show you what it looks like so far. Player. And you can see we don't even get possession over it. We just stay away from it. That's because we don't have several things. First we need game mode base. Yeah, that crap. What do we call it? GM player. This one just be player pawn. So GM is for game mode and BP is for player pawn. And for the GM we're gonna say flow pawn class, we're gonna go with player pawn. And then on the starter you're gonna go to project settings, input. No, wait, we're missing something. How did I? Oh crap. Game mode. Alright, you're gonna just go to all settings and just type game mode because I don't know where it is. I think it was in. Oh yeah, maps and modes. Where's maps and modes? Yeah, it's in here somewhere. I'm too lazy to look for it, so I just type it. Oh, it's right here. But yeah, you can just type it in all settings. Save your time. Switch that to GM player. Alternatively, you can always go to world settings and override the game mode. Alright, let's play now. You see now we're getting somewhere because it spawned us with that, but it didn't spawn us where that one is. And we can actually fix that by, there's several ways to fix this. We're gonna go with the basic way with the player start unlit, and you can see the cameras there, players there, everything's good.